Welcome by Retro Machines. Let's make a video because this Dell XPS machine needs a video card. So let's see what video card we're gonna use for it, because I have several options that I want to discuss with you. What are these nerve guns doing here? I can't tell you yet, but I will put them away for now. So let's see what we have here. Here we have the Dell Xps B800r and has an Intel Pentium 3, 512 megabyte RAM bus, HP 4 times. No hard drive at the moment, so we also need to see for a hard drive. We need a sound card. I'm not sure where it is because there was a Vortex 2 in it. So let's find some parts and discuss what we can do in this system, because we also need an optical drive and we have some extra options here. We need a hard drive for this system, and I'm thinking to go for a little bit bigger hard drive than normal, so maybe a 60 gigabyte or something like an 80 gigabyte or maybe even a 160 gigabyte. So what would you choose for a system like this? And I still need to test these drives. Oh wait, this one is tested, but this one needs to be cleaned and tested soon. And the optical drive is of course a Pioneer slot-in DVD player, because this is just the nicest drive. And we have two 3.5 inch bays open, so maybe we can do a zip drive in it, a zip 250 megabyte drive, together with an LS120 drive. So what would you do? Floppy drive, zip drive, LS120, or another combination? Let me know. For the sound card I go for this Turtle Beats Vortex 2, because it came with the system and that's something different than the normal Sound Blaster. And this is a really good card. So no options for you here. And for the network card you can choose a 3-com or an Intel card. Both is 100 megabit. So what would you put in a system like this? This one has driver support in all operating systems, and this one is a bit newer and needs to have a driver installed. So which one should I put in, the Intel or the 3-com? Also let me know. So here we have the video card options. We can go for the Voodoo 5500 with 64 megabytes of memory. But I have done builds with this card. It's really nice card, but maybe we can do one of the other brands in this system. So let me show what other options we have. We can go for this Asus V7700. It's a Geforce 2 GTS with 32 megabytes of memory. And this card has no extra options, just a good 3D card. Or we can go for this Matrox parhelia with 120 megabytes of memory. But this is a bit more modern card, but still maybe a nice performing card in this system. Or we can go for this one, and this one is a little bit slower than the rest, because this is a Riva TNT2 Ultra. But this one has 3D classes and a lot of in and outputs, so maybe this is also nice to play with the 3D classes in the system. So what do you think that fits the best in this system with the Pentium 3 800, the Voodoo 5, the Geforce 2, so the fast Nvidia option, or the TNT2 Ultra with the 3D classes, so this is a bit slower but maybe more fun. Or maybe the nice parhelia from Matrox. So let me know in the comments, how big of a hard drive do you want to see in this system? Do you want to see an Intel or a 3Com network card? What kind of drives do you want to see? Zip drive, LS120 or a second floppy drive? And what kind of video card do you want to see? Nvidia, 3DFX or Matrox? And let me know which operating system. Do you want Windows 98, Windows Millennium or Windows 2000 on this Dell Xps B800? So soon I will start the build of this machine. Thanks for watching, please like and share this video, subscribe and leave a comment. You can join Retro Machines on Facebook and you can support me monthly on Patreon.
The time is 8:47 a.m. Current topside temperature is 93 degrees, with an estimated high of 105. The Black Mesa compound is maintained at a pleasant 68 degrees at all times.